Kim, and I'd like to introduce you, and so with the cockerel, to the Oxford Sandy Black Pig Group Cook Along. Something that we're going to do once a week, get us all involved, cooking in the kitchen, having a little bit of fun, sharing ideas. So the first one, which is by me, is pork belly with soy sauce. Thank you very much, cockerel. So I hope you enjoy it, and I look forward to hearing any comments you have. Thank you. Hello. Right, we are going to have a cook-along session. So today we're going to cook soy sauce pork, which is strips of belly pork, which I'll slice, with sugar, 5 spice, crushed garlic. I'll split the cinnamon stick in half, crush some white onion. Shallots is ideal, but because I haven't got any shallots, I'm going to use a bit of onion, and black pepper and white pepper, and of course dark soy sauce. So I shall get on and I shall do that. So going to crush the onion, that's all you need to do, and crush the garlic, peel the garlic, there we go. Broken the cinnamon in half. Now I'm going to sort the meat out. So now I'm slicing the belly pork. I've got about 6 slices of belly pork, and what I'll do is I'll just slice them all, and then I'll cook them and then half it up, and I could put them in packets and put them in the freezer to freeze, so I can use for another meal later on. So I shall get on and just slice them. I've still got the skin on, by the way, so it doesn't matter because we will be simmering the belly pork for a while, which will make it lovely and tender, not to mention very, very tasty too. So now what I'm going to do is a bit of vegetable oil, and then I'm going to put in, just throw everything in basically. So I'll put the cinnamon stick, garlic and onions. I'll put those in first and just let the oil heat, and we'll be good to go. Okay, here we go. So we put the crushed onions in, throw in the garlic and throw in the cinnamon. Stir it around. And then add pork. Give it a good stir. Add the pepper, 5 spice, sugar. Give it another good stir. And then you add the soy sauce. And as they say, add liberally. Give it another good stir. And there you go. There's the soy sauce. Mix it around. Cover and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or so, and then come back and just keep stirring it. And then later on we'll most probably add a bit of water to it, just so it's got some juice in there. And we'll come back and we'll have a look and see how it goes. Okay, I've turned the heat down so it simmers nicely, and I'm going to add just a little bit of water, because you don't want it to burn. So it's basically just has a nice consistency, a soupy consistency. So the meat just cooks nice and slowly. It's basically like a slow cook casserole, for want of a better word. But yeah, so you just leave it to simmer for a while and let all the flavours get sucked in by the sliced belly pork. And it comes out, it's lovely and tender and juicy and tasty. So we'll leave it cooking for a little bit while longer and we'll revisit it later. Right, so we just had a look and we're doing a last minute stir. Just got to make sure it doesn't stick, basically. So you just keep checking it, giving it a good stir. And the rice is over there, so we'll have a look and see how it all turns out later.